Hey guys, so I'm back from the mall. Well, working inside a mall at a restaurant inside a mall. And I happened to drop by Chronos, which is a watch store, and lo and behold, I couldn't control myself, so we're doing a simple unboxing of what I bought at the store. I'm not going to show you the receipt. This is the warranty paper. You know that it's another Casio. So this is the, what do you call this? It's a manual. Yep, warranty and manual. And without further ado, let's go straight to business. It's a G-Shock watch. I've been wanting to get this for a while now, but yeah, I mean I've seen this a lot of times on Instagram, on social media, and it is only now that I got to get a hold of this. So what is this? Maybe this is the manual or warranty, I'm not sure. Oh, this is the warranty card, okay. And I don't know. I think there's nothing else inside of this. Yep, it's just the box. And here we go. And guys, before you forget, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification, like, comment, and share. And follow me at The Ambitious Peasant on Instagram. So this is the tin can it comes with, and yay! It is what other people call the Casio oak, which I hate, by the way. I don't like calling it any oak for any reason, because it's not a royal oak. So let's just call it, a G-Shock Casio watch with a hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, octagon. And here it is. So it's a very nice watch. This is just gonna be an unboxing, and I'll do a review, another video, a review of the watch. So this is how it looks like on the wrist. I have a 6-inch wrist, but yeah, it fits me really well. I think I'm gonna be using this as a daily wearer, daily beater here at home while I'm working from home. And yeah, the material is perfect for summer or a hot climate, or high temperature areas like the Philippines is, especially here in Cavite, Manila. So yeah, I have another one incoming, but it's in Singapore. My brother bought it for me. It's the transparent version of this one, but yeah, I'm happy I got this. Yay! Thank you.